everyone! McDonald's just released an Adult Grinch Happy Meal for the second year in a row. Let's go check it out. I'm gonna start this video off by showing you the Grinch meal from last year so we can compare it to this year. This was the box from last year. And the fries came with this pickle seasoning sauce that you just shake onto it. It's in this little envelope. And these were the socks. This was the best part of the meal for me. I'm super excited to see what kind of socks they have this year. Yes. And this is my cat Junior. Keeps getting into the video. So there you have it. These are the Adult Happy Meal and the Kids Meal from last year. Now let's go get the new Adult Grinch Happy Meal. I got it. I got the new Adult Grinch Happy Meal. Look at this box. Wow. Let's see what's inside. You want to be in my video, Kevin? Yes. Yes. So let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. So I got the chicken nugget meal, which comes with 10 chicken nuggets. And instead of fries, they have these Who hash bites. They kind of look just like tater gems or tater tots. Ooh. Let's try one of these. Those are pretty good. I also got a Coke. Now the best part of this meal for me is the socks that they come with. They are mismatched Grinch socks. Wow, that's a pretty cool idea for a meal. So that's what's inside of the box. 10 chicken nuggets, Who hash bites, socks, and a Coke, and whatever dipping sauce you want for your nuggets. As you can see, I have this Grinch wooden plaque beside me that my husband made me for Christmas. It is so amazing. If anyone knows me, they know that I love the Grinch. So I'm just gonna do a quick comparison from the box from this year and the box from last year. This is the difference. I think I prefer the one from this year. And these are the socks from this year and from last year. And last year, the fries came with this pickle sauce. And this year, you get the Who hash bites. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I like them both. I love pickle seasoning, pickle anything really. And there you have it, the Grinch meal from this year and the Grinch meal from last year. Leave a comment below if you have one that you prefer more than the other, if you had the Who hash bites or if you had the fries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go get an Adult Grinch meal from McDonald's and try it out for yourself. You can leave a comment or a question below and let me know which meal you got or what drink you got. Have a great day, everybody. Bye, everyone.